Meaning of encephalopathy.
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 Encephalopathy. Encephalopathy refers to a group of brain disorders characterized by abnormalities in neurological function. The condition can occur as a result of various factors, such as infections, head trauma, metabolic disturbances, or toxic exposure to substances like drugs or alcohol. Symptoms can include altered mental status, confusion, memory loss, seizures, and even coma in severe cases. Treatment is dependent on the underlying cause and may include medications, dietary changes, and lifestyle modifications. If left untreated, encephalopathy can result in permanent brain damage and even be life-threatening.